एफपीएल की जन्नत में जारी। एफपीएल ट्रांसफर्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क। पहले की परफॉर्मेंस आर नॉट इंडिकेटिव फॉर फ्यूचर प्लानिंग। प्लेयर्स को लाने से पहले खुद भी जांच करें और फिक्सचर पोजीशन, गेम वीक और वाइल्ड कार्ड को ध्यान रखें। हमारी बकचोदी और बकवास के साथ रिस्क जुड़े हुए हैं और हमारी सलाह की कोई गारंटी नहीं है।
Welcome to Desi FPL, man. One of the most consistent players of FPL. What happened to you? You were
Stop
top
jinxing.
15k.
Stop jinxing me, plus. It's because of your jinx. I knew the moment I put out the tweet saying I was 15k. I have a feeling that you would have seen that tweet and you would have like cursed me from the bottom of your heart, saying this bugger cheated and got his way into the 15k. उसके बाद सब like everything is downwards since then.
Well, for those who don't know, me and Vinayak worked together for a long time in two different newsrooms. Vinayak is heavily followed on Twitter for his sports journalism.
Yeah,
You've used your free hit already, and so have we, in
everything
fact.
is done.
But for reference sake, it's a good challenge. We have 100.6, which is, I'm sure, this much money everybody probably has, you know, in terms of value.
Most,
this is a bad value, in fact. So it's a good challenge to make a free hit team. We've cleared the old chaps here. Vinayak, what are you going to bank heavily on City once more?
I am very confused about that, just in terms of even without playing the free hit, about my team only, because there is literally nothing left for City to play in the final day. I mean, even when City has something to look forward to, I don't trust Pep with his rotation. So when there is nothing to look forward to, I won't be surprised if Pep plays like a team of nobodies, so that he can keep players fresh for Real Madrid. So that I really don't know what approach City is going to take for the final game. Of course, there is a couple of City players that you would want to have. I mean, just for the fear of missing out, FOMO, so to speak. So, other than that, I think it would be better to pack the team with players who are. So, if you're looking at City first, I would. So, I would say Foden is probably a really good pick for the last game week in terms of even rotation. I think if City do rotate, I think Foden will start. So if we are looking for two City players, I think Foden and Silva.
Really, you would leave Raheem Sterling out? He's chasing the Golden Boot.
I don't know, man. Like I said, I really don't know if he's going to play the first team. It's against Norwich. It's a relegated team. I mean, there is what do City have to play for? I mean,
yeah, but
Pep rotates even if it's a big game. So and if you're playing your free hit, I would see if it's worth investing. Maybe we can come back, see if there is enough points, enough money left, and see who we can pick.
Okay, let's do that. But nobody from defense. You don't want an Ederson or anything?
No.
Right? Okay. Do we finish off the goalkeepers first? Nick Pope, Burnley at home to Brighton.
Pope, I think. Okay. Yeah, Pope, I think is a safe bet.
And free hit, so the other one doesn't matter. I'll just pick
other one is just the cheapest.
Do we continue to believe that Trent is undroppable? I mean, when you miss out, you miss out big.
I mean, that has been my biggest regret post-lockdown. I dropped Trent to bring in Van Dijk, and it's been a terrible mistake. I wouldn't do that ever again. But yeah, so Trent, I think
Trent goes. All right.
Yeah, Trent goes in the defense.
Who else? Wolves are, a lot of defenders stuck here, but away
at Chelsea. Away at Chelsea. So I wouldn't go there for now. Let's go for from Leicester. So Leicester United, I would want the big guns from that match.
So we are going Martial, Bruno, XYZ. All right.
Yeah, so that we can fill up the team with those because it's going to be, I think, a scoring game, high scoring game.
Martial?
Plenty at stake for both. Yeah, Martial for sure.
Okay. Greenwood
Rashford has been. I mean, he's burned me. Like, I mean, he was terrible when I had him in my team, and it's been 3 weeks since I dropped him, and he's returned with points.
I had him last weekend and burnt me as well.
So it's I mean, every time I pick him, he seems to disappoint. Every time he's not in my team, he's scoring. So I don't know about Rashford. I think, given Greenwood's form, I think Greenwood is still a better pick than Rashford.
I've put him in then.
Cheaper. Yeah, cheaper as well. So
okay, Bruno. Are we going Bruno or do we leave this?
Yeah. I think you can go with Bruno as well. So with those three players, I think there is certain at least two of them would return with points.
Do we fill this with Pulisic as well?
Vardy. Let's go for Vardy first.
Oh, you want to go for Vardy? Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, this is interesting. No Harry Kane.
You don't think so? No,
I would.
I just think, see, in my mind, Leicester, Man United is going to be like a 3-3, 4-4, 2-2
Right.
sort of a game. That's how I'm seeing it. And if both teams are going for like Brook and Vardy would be on the score sheet, I would believe.
That would
I think that's a
mean
fair
leaving
bet to
out
make.
somebody like Chris Wood also. It means leaving out Aubameyang as well.
I wouldn't even go near Obama for the last week, man.
What about Chris Wood?
I mean, with the final, I wouldn't be surprised if Arsenal don't start Obama and
True.
just rest him for the final.
You don't want to go. You don't
Get
want to
out
go
of the
Chris Wood or Jay Rodriguez, somebody for Burnley.
I mean, given Ings, Vardy, and Greenwood, I think that's
Okay. It's a bit of a. It's not template.
no, but I think in Ings, Greenwood, and Vardy, you have three players in good form.
But who do you play? Because I would advise anybody to go for Pulisic here, right? Now if
then you have to.
Then you have to play. If you're a three-hit guy, you would have to choose two and go for one of the cheapest options to save money. But don't you think Pulisic is absolutely necessary given that Chelsea will also?
Yeah. True. Chelsea, and given how he played, so maybe between Ings and Vardy, I would still go with Vardy because I see goals in that game. Yeah, I see goals in that game. So.
And you would continue to start Greenwood.
Greenwood just because he offers just at 4.7
so
he's like a
okay. So let's stick with
your how much
suggestion.
How much is left right now?
We have 32 million. We have one striker and 4 defenders to go. So I mean, 4 defenders. We could actually just make it 2 defenders and pick the cheapest on either the other 2.
Yeah.
So let's do that.
That would be. I think that. Yeah.
I'll go to defenders and just pick the cheapest guys.
I think there is enough money to afford it over this team, I would think. Maybe we can drop Pope and bring in Ederson.
Right.
Like you had mentioned before.
Yes.
You don't have a City.
Almost guarantees 4 points.
Guarantees a clean sheet, I think. I don't think.
And we go to Burnley and get Tarkowski or Peters. Peters looks very good, even going forward.
Yeah, and cheaper, I think.
Cheaper as well. Yeah. The red flag for me here is that we've gone very light on City's attacking options.
That is solely because I wouldn't be surprised if he plays B team. In my mind, that is my biggest issue. I mean, if you're playing free hit and if there is so much riding on the last game week, I would still want guaranteed scorers in the team.
I'm going to have to name this the risky free hit team.
No, I think this is the safe free hit team. The risky free hit team would be the one with Sterling and De Bruyne, which is my team actually. So how much is left now?
You're buying me a drink if Sterling wins the Golden Boot.
If who wins the Golden Boot?
Sterling, yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Sure. I mean, I can.
I think it's a worthy bet. I mean, there's no guarantee that I'm going to win.
But I don't think Sterling is going to play at all. So let's see. He has Pep will have Real Madrid on his mind. So
Real Madrid is ages away. Real Madrid is, I don't know, sometime in August. I've been telling people to pick Sterling like rapid texting on the ACFP. Everybody's like, hey, what do you think of my team? And I'm like, hey, where's Sterling? And they come back with another team saying, oh yeah, now I have Sterling. You could go Harry Kane. You don't trust Harry Kane to score against Palace. Have not lost 7 games in a row, I think.
Who are Bournemouth playing? Bournemouth playing Everton, no? Everton
away. Everton is a shit team.
Yeah, I mean,
currently
Everton have not been scoring anyway. So
So
you really want a City player in this 11? I think, like I said earlier, Foden is a better option. You can go Foden
or you drop Bruno. Can we try that? I mean, if we are going outside, completely slightly outside selection, we already got the 2 players who play furthest forward for United, right?
Yeah.
So we could just we could do that and solve a lot of things. 14 में 4 player. Damn.
Wow. Suddenly it became tough.
Yeah, but I'm guessing we have to get Martin. 3.9. Okay, now we can get Brandon Williams, who's the cheapest defender, 3.8. Because we've given away one of the United assets.
United slots, yeah.
but it's still difficult. 6.7, and
So in that sense, I would say Foden instead of Silva. That should free up money. I mean, I think Foden will score. He's in good form. So
I think, but
significantly,
as a short starter, we could do one thing. We could probably get Mane for Salah. That is another thing.
Yeah, that is.
If it holds, I mean, if the maths holds, let's see. 4.2. Okay. Tanganga come back. All right. So 2.8. Okay, how much money do we have to free up? Forward, price, and what's the cheapest striker? 4.2 is the cheapest striker.
No, but I'd like go for Nketiah. I'd say go for Nketiah as a back. Like you don't want to have 3 non-starters on.
But we are already at minus 1.4. If we have that,
no, but if you have Nketiah and you can we can free up some money from Salah or Silva, I think it should be fine. What does having Mane instead of Salah?
My only argument is that if you have Nketiah, he's not going to play.
No, he is. He will surely play.
No, in your 11, because all these players.
No, but would you want at least a starter on your bench in case one of your main players don't you don't want to bank on just 11, right, with a free hit, right?
I'm just banking on 11, with a free hit.
I would think at least you would want one safety net.
But nobody's not going to play. You do realize everybody you've picked is going to play.
What if someone gets injured in the lead up? Yeah.
Oh,
no, I would always want one. I would always want one safety net player. I've never been a fan of having all just 11 players.
Okay. So let's see if we can do it though. It may mathematically be forced out of that.
No, but then 100. Yeah, we are also working with a 100.6 limitation. So
cool. Correct. 1.2.
So if someone has 101 type, they can play this.
They can play this team.
I would. Yeah.
We could go Johnny for Doherty because we have to make a change somewhere.
Yeah.
We could go Johnny, which isn't too bad. Here's that 0.2 that Nketiah is eating.
But I would still want that. Mane is 12.2 now.
It's 12.2. 0.2 bachta hai. Most people would still be able to do this. This is your
do this. I think so.
Choice.
Yeah.
This is their choice. Yeah. If you want to have a backup player,
backup striker or
or the cheapest,
or a non-star.
Yeah. But this is a good team now.
I mean, this is a good team. I would also for me, Foden would still free up some money, so Foden can feature if you want a better option anywhere else in the team. So that is also.
I like the look of this team. I mean, it's
it should score some points.
It doesn't have it's not a template team, but I still like it because we've managed to cover Sterling and Mane and Silva and Pulisic and Martial. So that midfield for me is probably the strongest that you can.
Yeah, I think Pulisic is, like you said, is a really good. I think it's if it's possible to have Pulisic in the team, I think most players should go for that.
I think this is fantastic. I still have my doubts about Vardy. I know he'll get a goal, but I mean Harry Kane is also in some insane form. So that is playing on my mind. Or you could go Ings as well at home. Golden.
Yeah, I just see a 4-4.
Right. Yes.
On
quite
Sunday,
possible.
So,
quite possible.
Yeah, if that happens, I think Vardy would feature heavily. So.
Yes. Very nice, Vinayak. Thank you.
Right. Thank you, Pulak. Thank you for having me. When is my T-shirt with Desi FPL?
Yeah, it'll be coming. Some of our orders have been stuck up because of the.
But you said top 10. I'm not top 10 anymore, so I just.
We'll give you. Then you can take a photo and post it. What do you want? We've got differential. We've got wild card. We've got triple captain.
Kuch bhi chalega, yaar. No, but I said
I'm going to give you differential, man. I know you like playing the differential card, so I'm going to give you that.
Chalo. All right.